Beyond being built for routine sampling, the ApexZ is designed to meet and exceed the needs of cleanroom certifiers. In order to make certifying cleanrooms seamless and error-free, the ApexZ includes quick certs. These are designed to make cleanroom certification a breeze, regardless of the experience level of the user. To start off, you're going to choose Sample Plans. Looking at your Certifications tab and down at the bottom, you see there's a button called Quick Cert. So, when you hit Quick Cert, you can, in one screen, set up a quick certification. So, first you choose the ISO settings you want. In this case, let's set it to ISO 5. Next, choose your room's area. Let's set the room size to 250 square feet. Set the room status to in operation and hit apply. For this, we only want to sample the 0.5 channel, so select just that channel size. Great, you've got your zones, samples, and delay. Awesome, you're all set. Just hit save and you're back to grid view with everything ready to sample. From seasoned professionals to large teams, and even for somebody that doesn't know anything about a certification, the ApexZ makes cleanroom certification as easy as possible.